Hello everyone, welcome back to today's show. Well, this is a quick video of a 4.5-minute bonus on Big Hot Flaming Pots. This is the reason why I really like this game. We made a small trip on over to Choctaw Casino, just a one-night trip, and I decided to play one of my favorite games. I don't have a whole bunch, but this is definitely one of my favorite games, and it's for this very reason. This bonus goes on and on and on. So I want you to sit back and watch this 4.5-minute bonus and see how I was fooled into believing I had just won the grand, which was about $15,000 or so at the time, but here we go.
Order up. Order up. Order up. Order up.
I didn't win the grand, but I did have fun.